Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.9% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold rose over 1% on Friday after a US inflation data cemented prospects of a rate cut next month, restraining the dollar below recent highs, while safe haven demand stemming from the geopolitical tensions in the Middle East also lifted bullion. 4 of China's biggest state-owned banks announced cuts to existing mortgage rates starting on October the 25th, as the authorities ramp up efforts to stimulate the world's second biggest economy. The lenders said they would cut the rates to as low as 30 basis points below the benchmark loan prime rate. Oil prices settled lower on Friday but rose for the second straight week as investors weighed factors such as possible supply disruptions in the Middle East and Hurricane Milton's impact on fuel demand in Florida. Brent crude oil futures settled down 0.45%.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Finland's consumer price index will be released at 5 GMT. China's exports at 3 GMT. China's imports at 3 GMT. China's trade balance, USD, will be released at 3 GMT. China's FDI at 9 GMT. Korea's trade balance at 23.55 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.